Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a doorbell with the help of a buzzer, a battery, and a push button. Step 1. Place a buzzer, a push button, and a battery on a flat surface. Step 2. Connect the positive leg of the buzzer to one of the terminals of the push button. Connect the opposite terminal of the push button to the positive terminal of the battery. Step 3. Connect the negative leg of the buzzer to the battery's negative terminal. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.